Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to explain you how you can fix this problem here. We got a tablet which the charge port here is broken. So here normally you get your connector inside, but this one here is totally broken. So I'm gonna do a really quick video, and that's why the video is finished, and thank you for watching.
NSC.
No, just kidding. So the first thing you should do is you see here that this contacts here on this side there was totally bended, and I have now with this razor blade here I have now get back the contacts where they should be. So that means I'm gonna do now the same on this side, and don't try to bend them all over back again, okay? So always go around and try first to bend 1, 2 or 3 contacts. Do not always try to bend them all. So now we're gonna bend this ones here. You just get here inside, and then look here, then you just move the razor blade just like that, okay? Again, also here, get inside, and then you just try to bend this small contact. See that? Here we go. And do not press too much. You just don't want to cut them. You just want to bend them back. See? Here we go. And this is the rest of the PCB. This one and this one was totally bended. It was something like here. See that? So it was about here, and I just bent them all the way back, okay, because they was here totally bended. Yeah, now for the peoples, they may be gonna ask, how can this happen? Yeah, this can happen when the charging cable was connected and your tablet just falls down, or when you try to push the cable really, when you just try too hard and then it just break it. But this looks like it falls down. So a friend of me just brings me that one here, and he asked me if I can fix that. And I told him, oh, normally all the peoples now will just throw that in the trash. But I'm gonna give it a try. So here you can also see, I'm gonna zoom a little bit more now, because now it will be really difficult for you guys. So okay, now you can see here we have a contact which is bigger than the second one, but here we got 3 small contacts. And now this one here, you need to make a little bit space between, okay, because this one here has now contact to the other one. That means you won't have here a short circuit. Then you got here the next contact. Let me quick pause, because it's better with the tripod. So here we go again. I got it now on the tripod, and let me not just stand up. Right here you can see that really great, and it looks not like there are other contacts, because wait, sometimes they really break here inside, and then you see a hole. So maybe here's one broken already, but I can't see. It conforms which adapter it is, but it seems like it's hard to see. And that's why I also always recommend that you get yeah, I can see, I think, the contact, but we're gonna try it. Sometimes it will work, because now the guy just told me the most important is for him that he can still charge it. So data or all the stuff is just not necessary right now. Now try to get this one here inside. I need to look myself because it's complicated now. So here. Okay, so this now is separated. Yeah. This one is separated. This one is separated. This one is bended too. So I'm gonna bend it a little bit back. This can all the time break, you know, so take care. Go slowly on it. You can adjust it later. The next important thing is we need to get here nice soldering surface. That means we're gonna need here with a soldering iron, we need to clean the surface because this needs to be cleaned. See that? Next thing recommended is to use flux. So that means I'm gonna here just apply some flux. Okay, should be enough. Then you can have here, I got here lots this calls desoldering wires, but it's not really necessary. So that means the professional guys, just like me, they can do that also without. But if you want to do a clean work, you can use that because you're gonna clean the rest of soldering, okay? But I'm gonna now just do that for purpose without that stuff because not everyone has this desoldering wire at home. So now I'm gonna zoom again in a little bit. Okay, so now let's clean it. Yeah, looks nice. Okay, so this is now for me enough to get this contact back, or let's say the port, connector, or whatever. So now I'm gonna just place it here somewhere. This was here before. See that? Perfect. So this now for me is enough to work with. If you like, I can show you also how to clean that with that stuff here. Desoldering wire. Here again, please take some flux. Otherwise, this is just too dry. Take flux, hold it on a point, wait, and then we can go through. And if you notice that you can't move, then you just be patient or have patience and take care that your soldering iron is hot enough, not too hot, and then just move it slowly. See that? So this is gonna just suck all the what calls the rest of soldering. It's gonna suck inside there. So this is clean right now. Get this away. We're gonna take this off from here. Do not forget that stuff. So here we go. Then here you can see now it's really nice and sexy. You can clean it away a little bit. So, and the first thing is we're gonna now just solder two contacts, left and right. Okay, so we're gonna solder the first one left and the first one on the right side. So wait, I think this is the wrong side. I need to turn it one time. Let's try this side. Yep, looks better. So this is the side here. Okay, now I'm going to put it here down somewhere. And I need something where I need to put under there so I can solder better. So guys, just turn the camera for you, it's better. Then I need now soldering wire like I told. Okay, so yeah, the most important is that you just always prepare that stuff for yourself. So I think for me now this position is good. Then just look also under there if the contacts are all in the line. And I'm gonna give it now a try. Here we go. So yeah, it looks pretty good. So let me not just I think this work. Oh, this has work. Now I'm gonna do the left side, which is this side. I'm gonna press it a little bit down and also try again to solder there. So, of course, I have already checked the traces and all, because sometimes you need to take care that you have not important traces, otherwise you're gonna short something. But we're gonna give it a try. I get here again some soldering. Yeah, the record is complicated for my daughter now. Okay, so now I'm here pressing down. See that? I'm pressing it down. And I'm gonna try again here to get some contact. Ah, it gets hot, 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 hot. Very hot. Oh yeah. Okay, for now it looks good. It's time now to get here soldering all these contacts, and I'm gonna, like I told, begin with the very right one or very left one, and we need here some flux again. Come on, here we go. This should be a lot. Okay. Again, let's clean the tip. Good. Then, you know, so shaking just too much, I don't like it. Yeah, this one is already done. This one is done. Second. So now we just get here some IPA again inside. Let's say a little bit alcohol. All right. Then we're gonna now clean this all off here. And you also should clean it off when you just will not be able to see anymore what you are doing here. Just clean it all again, okay? So, and this normally is just not possible because let's say every other repair shop, they would maybe tell you, you know what, here now latest you need a new board. So that's why I just tell you that you can do it like that, but it needs to be tested, and mostly all the guys, or let's say people that works in some kind of repair shops, they would now tell you to buy another, let's say, board. Okay, so the PCB, which is the board here, I'm talking about all this board here. You should get it new then. All right, so again, a little bit, because I had here lots of flux. Here we go. Clean this all the way, because later this can be something like a little bit, let's say some kind of glue. If you have that stuff inside the port, that will not be that great for the contact. You can see also here and here I have solder some dots. Here I was trying to see if we're going to be able to scratch it here away, because then you can here do again, let's say, yeah, a small bridge, yeah, that you can understand that. But the problem is here, the first thing we got here a black PCB, so I'm not really able to see. Here you can see that on black PCBs it's hard to see the traces, and I will see it just scratching a little bit. Here it's broken already, you see that? So but it needs to be tested like I told. So now I'm going to turn it back to the other side. And here I'm going to also take a look. Here I have already, let's say, make it a little bit stable. Then here we're going to clean all this flux away, see? Yeah. I will let it like this. Later I'm going to lap this down. Then we're going to clean it right now. So for now I'm finished here. Cleaning, testing. So take a closer look here. Yeah. So you can see here we are very in the near. I think, yeah, talking about this one here, but they are not together. You need really to take a closer look. It's very difficult, guys. See, this and this one, these two, but they are not in the near. But they're not soldered together. Okay, wait, I'm gonna try to hold it really nice. Yeah, here you can see it right now. You could probably cut a little bit, but I see that they are not together. You can also take a multimeter, but this is so small here. Even with a multimeter, you're gonna have problems to get the inside. So the only thing you can do is you can get here the razor blade inside, see. So then you could cut it here a little bit, see that? Just go and try to get between, but I can feel it. I can get easily inside. Yeah, that's a good sign. Yep, it's better than nothing. Okay. with lots of work, with lots of patience. Get this all off because this could cause you a short circuit. Again, let's clean. Cleaned it all off. Inside, outside, right, left, everywhere, okay? Good. Now let's hope for the best. What do you think, guys? Will this work or not? I think yes, but I'm not sure if there was some other contacts missing or not, because this part really looked very damaged. But I think this should probably work. The most important is that it gets charged again, and so you can definitely use it somehow. And you can also get here the SD card back inside. Then you could probably also get some data back. So this is the most important. So now let's check it out. Where's the this is the other side. Okay, so the connector gets connected on the top. So now let's see. Here it is. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. It's working and it's charging. Wow, that was a big operation. But like you can see, it was worth. So guys, here, this one just takes a little bit to boot up, but it's finally working. And wait. No, I don't have a pin right now. Okay. For the last time. Ta-da! This is the best proof. Yeah. it's working like it should work. Good. So, all right. I hope you like it. Lots work, and finally, this was work. See you guys.
NSC in the place to be. NSC